Virginia needs a bucket, and they will get one.
What a player he is. Doesn't matter who you put on him.
Hunter and the stop.
What an athlete. And DeAndre Hunter, that young man knows how to finish. He is a versatile athlete that is very explosive. What a steal
By DeAndre Hunter. He'll try to get back and could not. The dunk by Hunter.
lottery pick. Oh, yeah.
DeAndre Hunter, 6'7", 230 pounds, 7'3" wingspan, guards every position at the college level, probably 1 through 4 at the NBA level. He's improved as a shooter. We moved him all the way up to number 5 in our latest mock draft. So he's one of these high floor prospects who's going to be able to start at the NBA level from day one.
He can knock down the mid-range jump shot. He can also shoot the 3. He can guard positions 1 through 5, and he actually has the strength up top. But I wonder if he can take that next step and be that bona fide volume scorer that I think he has the ability to do. I just don't know if he's been bred from his foundation to do that.
And the key to unlock his game is to shoot the NBA 3. If he's able to do that, that's going to put him in a position to play quality minutes.
Hunter will try and hit inside and outside for DeAndre Hunter, the redshirt sophomore for Philadelphia.
Yeah, he's a big-time player. The ACC Sixth Man of the Year last year. He was injured in the NCAA tournament, so couldn't play in that opening round game against UMBC.
You can see the difference Hunter makes. I mean, let's be honest. He plays in that UMBC game. I don't know if it's different or not. You can't say. You can't take anything away from them. But, man, oh, man, you can see the difference, the length, the athletic ability, playing with his head up.
Tipped and intercepted. DeAndre Hunter, bring it down.
What great defense by DeAndre Hunter. Stopped the drive, forced the pull-up jumper, and then athletic and long enough to get a piece of it.
Oh, long stride got into the lane.
Again,
9 for Hunter.
Again, his versatility, Wes. You know, we've seen him shoot a 3, post up. You let him get to that right hand, it's automatic off the dribble.
He's not going to be an NBA star, but you put him on the floor with a couple of NBA stars, and he's an unbelievable role player because of all the things he can do. He plays so well off of an unused dribble. Up top, the middle third of the floor, 2 strong power bounces. He's quick as a cat for a kid at about 225.
Gets hit by Chuku, and the shot drops as well.
Hunter right down the lane.
Yeah, you get him in the middle third of the floor, then the thing opens up for him, and he is so good with the jab steps, with a stationary start.
Oh, look at Hunter all the way to the rim, and he throws it down. DeAndre Hunter.